forecast.
And when we get to tomorrow, it is going to be potentially rainy for much of San Diego County, but we'll talk about that in just a second. As for now, what's happening right now outside in downtown San Diego? Well, we got some clouds rolling in. The showers could arrive overnight, but I'm really not expecting anything in the way of precipitation until we get to tomorrow afternoon. Temperatures are in the 60s and 50s along the coast. Same with those inland and mountain communities, except Palomar Mountain, Julian, Laguna, all the way down into the mid to low 40s for now. In addition to the chances for rain, first let's focus on the wind. A wind advisory in effect for both the mountains and the deserts. Really gusty conditions from now all the way into Wednesday. The wind advisory kind of expires at that point, but we should still get some gusty conditions all the way into the end of the week, but the bulk of it tomorrow and on Tuesday. And also, in addition to that, a gale watch out over the waters. The winds are going to be so strong, a gale watch is in effect, so that means any gust between 39 to 54 miles an hour out over the waters, which will lead to an elevated surf as well. Wind gusts, just to paint the picture of how windy it is going to be in the meantime, keep your eye on the mountains and deserts where for the most part sustained winds are going to be between 25 to 35 miles an hour, but they are going to fluctuate, and especially in some wind-prone areas on Tuesday, especially when more widespread gusts are expected, we could see some speeds up around 60 to 70 miles an hour. That's in this area. I mean, the wind advisory is not in effect over here, but look at how gusty those conditions are as well. Also got some chances for rain. They spike on Monday, and then they come back Thursday, Friday. There's the potential for some showers here at the end of the week, but the models are trending in a drier direction. In the meantime, Monday is what we are keeping an eye on for now as those clouds start to roll in and leading to some potential for showers. So we look at our future cast over here. Again, potential for some showers to pop up overnight, but for the most part, I'm not expecting anything in the terms of any sort of rainfall until we get to the early afternoon, and those chances will stick with us all the way into the evening. How much rain are we going to get? Very minimal amounts along the coast and valleys, no more than 0.15 of an inch. For the mountains, at least on the coastal slopes, could be a little bit more, 0.6 of an inch. On the desert side and in the deserts, not looking at anything in the way of precipitation, at least for Monday. On Tuesday, when all those chances for rain kind of go out the window for the interim, it's going to be very cold. I mean, look at all of these temperatures, well below average for this time of the year. That cooling trend continues into Wednesday along the coast and stays in the low 60s until we finally rebound Saturday and Sunday. But again, tomorrow is our best chance for rain. Our best chance at seeing any rain is most likely going to be in the inland valleys as well. Again, I time it out for you in the early afternoon into the evening. That is when our chances really start to pick up, but you're cool all the way through Thursday there in the valleys before finally rebounding at the end of the week. The mountains as well. When those chances for rain return Thursday, Friday, some snow as well might fall in the mountain areas anywhere from about 4,500 feet and above. In the deserts, you're staying a little bit below average for now, but a huge drop-off Tuesday through Thursday before climbing back up to average this time next week.